is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently June 23rd at 10:30 a.m. We took one trade today. It was a winning trade. As you can see here, there's two trades here. I'll get into what happened here in a little bit. But we took one trade. We are up on the day 160 on this account, 100 on this account, and 96 on this account. This trade did profit me $200, but what happened here was I forgot to remove the sell limit at my take profit point on Tradeovate, so I removed it on TradingView for the top account for this account, but I forgot to remove it for the other accounts. So I went in and it hit my sell limit, and then it just started pumping, and that could have been very, very bad if I was not at my computer, and I probably would have lost. I would have lost like $700 just there if I was not at my computer, but luckily I caught it and I was able to minimize the loss. So I don't count that as a loss because it was an accident. I just forgot to remove my sell limit. But very unfortunate with that. But I took one trade. This trade profited me about $200, and I was up $200 on the day, $600 between all accounts. But because this happened, I'm down. Well, I'm still up on the day, technically $100, but it is what it is. This trade was a very nice setup. Coming into market open, we sold off. We came all the way down to this hourly fair value gap. We put in a 5-minute SMT with ES right here. As you guys could see, ES did not take these lows. NASDAQ took these lows. This is an SMT out of this hourly fair value gap. After that, I wanted to see some upside movement. I was hesitant on entering this 3-minute inversion right here. I wish I did enter because that is my model, but I wanted to see what happened after news. We had red folder right here. We had PMI at 945, and when this got inversed, it was like 936. So it was a little bit early. I wanted to wait for news, so I did not enter on that 3-minute inversion. I know a lot of people that did, but not focused on other people's trading, focused on my own strategy. And so we just started pushing up after that. After that inversion, we started pushing up. We got a 5-minute market structure shift above these equal highs right here. This gave me clear confirmation that we're at least coming to London highs. So I scaled down to the lower time frame after we got that 5-minute market structure shift, and that's where I called my entry. I waited for a rebalance in this 1 minute. We got a rebalance. I entered right here. I TP'd early. I TP'd right here because ES took these highs all the way up here, and I thought an SMT was going to get formed, but I sold early because ES took these highs and London highs as well. So I sold at a 1-to-1, made about $200 on this trade, and then this BS happened. Very unfortunate with that BS, but beautiful trade to start the week. Nice little 1-to-1 risk reward. Rebalance in 1 minute. I was originally targeting here, and that would have hit. Maybe what I could have done better was, instead of selling when ES took these highs, I could have went break even and try to let runners run. Because if I let runners run to these highs, I would have made $500 on each account. That would have been a lot better. But it is what it is. Beautiful start to the week. I did want to take profits because of all the war news going on and all that BS going on with the economy. So I don't really know what to expect, and markets are very volatile right now. So I was happy with my profits today, but now that happened, it looks very bad on my account. I mean, I'm still up on the day, so what am I saying? I'm still up on the day. It still was a good trade, so I'm happy with today. Beautiful trade, beautiful executions. Yeah, overall, definitely a good day. Tomorrow we have more news. We have Powell speaking at 10 o'clock, so it's going to be another very volatile day. And then the next day we have Powell speaking again. So this week is just very volatile overall in the markets. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but my last payout did get denied with Apex. So my accounts are now sitting at, let me show you guys what the accounts are sitting at. This account that got denied is at 2,800. So I just need to trade 7 more days after today, and I should be able to request another payout. These accounts are only up 126 and then 121. So these accounts are fairly new. But we are just slowly building, not really focused on the money, focused on taking good setups, and that's really what's going to bring me profitability over the long run. I'm not focused on the money, focused on taking good setups, and today was definitely a very good day in the markets if I took a good setup, which I did. So I'm happy with today. Um, Very nice, very nice. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. I also am starting to live stream. I did live stream this trade on YouTube, so make sure you guys turn on post notifications to my channel so you guys can join the live streams, so you guys can catch these trades with me, and then also join the community down below. And yeah, use code ZAC for 80% off all Apex accounts, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another trade recap. Peace out, y'all.